I can't sleep by having many nightmares. What's happened, sweetie? I'm having so many nightmares. Oh, do you want to go sleep with me? Yes, Mom. Come on. I may have too many nightmares. Here. Okay, Mommy, that's feeling better. Okay. So, I'm actually thirsty. I'm just gonna get some water, okay? Okay. The paper is swinging. Mommy! What happened? Come here. Mommy, the paper's swinging. No, it's only the wind. See? Ow. I'm kind of a little scared from a nightmare. Okay, we should go to sleep now. You should go to your bed because my friend is gonna go here. Really? Why? How many people can sleep in your bed? 2 only. But I'm 10. You're not 10. You're only teen. I mean, like teen. T-H-I-N. Here, play with butterfly. But why Ava is in the other bed? Because she don't have a bed. Why you should not make hers? I'm gonna make her soon. Yeah, okay, good night, Mommy. Good night. Here's our bottle if you need it. Okay. I'm just gonna sleep. I love playing with this toy. It's so fun. La la. What's that? Oh no. Okay, that's only imagination. Just play. Why that's moving? Oh no. Is it real? Why is that moving?